Hi guys, here's my Enhypen Lightsick unboxing. Comes with a little pouch. This band is so pretty. Who needs directions when you have your brain? Also pretty now, time for the photo cards. So new.
Strawberry with chocolate.
Batteries time. Make sure it's facing the right direction. Yeah, it works. So new. Forgot to show you guys the logo on the light and put on the strap here. I also totally forgot about the projection thingy LOL. Wasn't too hard to put it in this time. Yeah, I'm done. Can't wait to see them in Chicago. Thanks for watching. Bye. So new.